Hey everyone, I'm on my way home from work and I'm on empty. And tonight we're staying up and saving on gas. We all need to get gas, but you don't have to pay full price. Sound too good to be true? It's not. There's this really cool gas app. You get money back on every gallon that you pump. The app is called Get Upside, and you download it. We've checked it out. It is secure. The map tells you which gas stations are around you and which ones have better deals, so then you can decide which gas station you want to go to. You just click Claim Offer, and then you have to go to that gas station, and then you pump away. So I put in 14 gallons at 30 cents a gallon. That's $4.20. That'll almost pay for my Starbucks tomorrow. How cool is that? Just for using an app. There are two ways to earn your cash back. You can snap a picture of your receipt and upload it, or you can simply check in and use a credit card that you've input into your Get Upside wallet. But don't worry, the app does not have access to your full credit card number, just a few digits, and that is the method I used. I went inside to grab a receipt just to make sure I have proof that I purchased the gas, and hopefully I'll see that money deposited in a few days. And guess what? The very next day, I got an alert that I earned $4.19 back from that one purchase. You can see how that would add up. You can redeem your money in gift cards, or you can cash out through PayPal, or even request a check. So try it out. See what you think. It's called Get Upside, and really, you're getting paid for getting gas, something that you do already. Thanks for staying up and saving with us. Have a good night.